how to find store address settings on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your browser, and now once you're here click settings, and then go to store profile, and here we'll find address, and you can change address type, and then just type the address here, and that's it. Then click save and go back. I hope that can help you because it's easy, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.